So what you're hearing, different amphibians, this is March 15th, part of our early spring break. I'll move up in a little bit, but in those woods there's a curve here, and it's flooded, and it's what you would call a vernal pool. A vernal pool is seasonally flooded. It's not going to hold water year round. But in the spring of the year like this, it's where the amphibians of the woods will meet to reproduce, lay their eggs, raise their young. Well, the young raise themselves, but. And what we have is, it's an old oxbow. There's a creek nearby, but this is an old curve in the creek there, where you had a flood at some point, blew out a corner, and the creek rerouted itself and left this old channel behind. But on a spring day like this, I mean, you can still see there's some snow on the ground. You can see a little bit of snow. But think about what we talked about in class when we talked about sexual selection versus natural selection, and think about what's playing out. And I look forward to your comments.